Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
During Chinese New Year, Hakka people cook a pot of so-called longevity vegetables in hopes of luck and a long life. The vegetable in the soup is leaf mustard, the most popular vegetable in winter. The best leaf mustard comes from the Hakka area of Miaoli, and it's also great for making traditional Hakka pickled vegetables.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And let's continue to talk about food this time because I love food. It's Chinese New Year right now, and we need to talk more about what Hakka people eat. 我们今天来介紹給大家客家人過年的時候吃的東西好了啦。
一聽是那個客家人的年菜呀。
哦，對對對，客家人的年菜。有什麼呢？比如說，
今天屬於一種就會長年菜。
長年菜，誒，好像聽過長年菜嘛，對不對？
長。
這常常聽到 I've heard about this term before. It's like a New Year's dish, okay, called 長年菜。可是長年菜是什麼菜都可以嗎？就叫長年菜嗎？不是嗎？
沒。
哦，不是哦。
要用個芥菜。芥菜，
這樣子就懂了，掛菜哦。That's actually called the green mustard cabbage. That's the exact type of vegetables they use for this New Year's dish. And it's prepared in a very special way, I heard. 好像是用特別的方式去煮，對不對？
要用個芥然後壓嘅糖來煮嘅啦。韓國其實對一個年頭食到年米食到年頭
哦 ，OK，
做很多長年菜。
這個我懂，因為雞就是雞嘛，阿伯就是鴨嘛，對不對？
對。
So they like to use like duck or chicken and cook out a soup out of it, and then also cook in the green mustard cabbage, and then they prepare this for New Year's. So you can eat this from the beginning of New Year's to the end of New Year's.
Joseph， 那我們講芥菜在客家還有另外一種做法。
除了長年菜，還有另外一個做法。
你一定吃過？
那我更想要知道了。
叫做鹹菜。
鹹菜是
就是酸菜。
酸菜就是醃過的那種酸菜，是不是？So you can also use the green mustard cabbage and marinate it and pickle it, and it becomes a different dish. 酸菜。So 芥菜 the green mustard cabbage， Hakka 怎麼講？
芥菜
is a very important ingredient for their New Year's dish, and then it's called 長年菜 the New Year's dish.
長年菜
and then the green mustard cabbage can be marinated into 酸菜
鹹菜
and those are certainly some dishes you want to try out if you go to a Hakka family during this Chinese New Year. Well, I guess that's all the time we have, and that does it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.